right. Ladies and gentlemen, good day, everyone. Welcome back to the TDM live trading session, live market analysis, live trading session. This is brought to you by TD Markets. I go by the name of Tepo, and we're just gonna do an update, go over the pairs we discussed on the earlier session, on yesterday's session, and look at some new setups. Right. So what you see just next to the chart, what we discussed so far this week. Right, these are opportunities that we've identified so far this week. So we've got USD CAD, Swiss yen, Euro yen, CAD yen, pound Kiwi, and pound Aussie. All right. Just gonna do a recap and then we'll get to new setups. So USD CAD. If we just go back to USD CAD, USD CAD is still, we have not found an entry on this one, right? We are bullish. We're expecting price to continue the move to the upside, and we are looking for buying opportunity. That has not formed as yet, so we're just keeping a close eye on price action. All right, and we're just keeping an eye on price action, and so let's wait and see what will happen. But USD CAD expecting this to make a push back to the upside. And Swiss yen is another one. So we spoke about a sell on Swiss yen, and there we have got a sell. Right, we have got a sell on Swiss yen. We are quite bearish on Swiss yen. We're expecting price to continue the leg down, and we're already in, right, a few minutes ago. Already in. Stop loss is just above 78.6. All right, we've got a nice rejection right there, and this rejection simply tells us that this retracement here is about to complete and expecting price to drop. So Swiss yen, the trade is active. Stop losses are above 78.6 and expecting the market to make a push to the downside. Just keep an eye on Swiss yen. We're expecting price to go down. All right, look for your selling opportunities there. All right, the trade is in. We're expecting price to drop. So that's an update on Swiss yen. Euro yen is another one. We also got the trade here. So we're expecting this to be the end of this correction and for price to continue the leg to the downside. All right, we expected this to continue the leg to the downside. So Euro yen, an update. This is what we see right now. This is also an update, right? And the next leg we are anticipating. So just keep an eye on your selling opportunities there. Looking for a trade to the downside. The trade is already in, and stop losses above, just around 70.6 as well. All right, so Euro yen, keeping a close eye on it. And we also discussed CAD yen. CAD yen also, the trade is also in. We spoke about a sell on CAD yen. We got a nice correction and we're expecting price to drop. So do keep an eye, wait for your selling opportunities. We got the completion of the correction. This correction might get bigger, so keep an eye on that. If you guys understand different formations of the correction, of course, then you'll notice if it's going to be bigger or not. Exactly what's happening with gold right now. Gold is turning into a complex correction, a bigger correction. So do keep a close eye on that. All right. And if you guys would like to learn different forms of corrections, just get onto our education sessions that we have running. All right, just send us an email, care@tdmarkets.com, if you want to be part of our education sessions. That's where you're going to break everything down. All right, so yeah, we already spoken about this chart on our education, and we're looking for a move to the downside. So CAD JPY expecting further down, right? And then we also spoke about pound NZD. Pound NZD is just playing around this area. The trade is also in, just playing around that area. It's just a matter of time before we get a push to the upside. All right, keeping a close eye on it as well. So yeah, the trade is in. We're expecting price to reject on that 5061.8 area and then a push to the upside. All right, so yeah, it's just playing around there. It's just a matter of time before we get that engulfing and then the market will move up. So this is what we discussed on yesterday's session. We also have a new setup in Euro AUD, right? Euro AUD. I spoke about this on our opening bell. So if you go back to our previous opening bell streams, you'll see the breakdown of Euro AUD. But Euro AUD, expecting this to continue the leg to the upside, right? The trade is also in, take profit is open, and we're looking for a push to the upside. All right, it's just around 50 pips in profit at the moment, around about 50 pips in profits. And yeah, just keep a close eye on it. Look for your selling opportunities, and ride it all the way to the upside. All right, so this is a new one, Euro odd, looking for a push to the upside, ladies and gentlemen. And yeah, so let's see how the market moves. All right, so these are the setups for this session. Did a quick recap, update, and also new setups. So keep an eye on any possible new setups throughout the week, and of course we'll share them with you. All right, and yeah, so that's where we're gonna end it. Do keep an eye on that. If you guys want to be part of our education, send us an email to care@tdmarkets.com, and you will find some assistance from there. All right, so that's it from us, guys. Do enjoy the rest of your day. Keep an eye on that. We'll come back again at 3 o'clock and see how the markets are moving. But just keep an eye on that, and we'll catch you guys again the next session.